Okay, students, today we shall have three things or topics: preposition, conjunction, interjection. As you already have been told the definitions of these things. However, preposition is a word which shows its relation to some other word in the sentence. What does this mean? If you remember the first few classes, I had told you that preposition shows a relation between two nouns or pronouns. For example, the book is table. There will be no meaning. There will be no meaning because the meaning will completely change. We want to say the book is on the table, but if we are saying the book is table, it will have no meaning or it will have different meaning, and we may laugh at it. I am in the classroom. Here I, classroom, is related with in. Some prepositions in, on, into, about, there are many numbers. In after classes we shall see in detail in uses of prepositions. Thereafter comes conjunction. You have already been told the definition. Conjunction is a word which joins two words, Ram and Sham, bread and butter, and phrases. I go for a walk in the morning and in the evening. Two phrases, two clauses, two principal clauses or principal clause and subordinate clauses. Two sentences means two principal clauses or two complete sentences with the help of different conjunctions. Conjunction is divided into two categories. One is coordinating conjunction, another is subordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction is the conjunction which joins two complete sentences. That we can say principal clause also. And, but, either or, neither nor are the examples. Ram is poor but Sam is rich. I am a teacher but you are a student. Something like that. Subordinating conjunction. Subordinating, I have told you in previous class that subordinate clause, principal clause, subordinate clause. Principal clause has complete meaning, subordinate clause has incomplete meaning. Subordinate clause depends on the completion of its meaning on principal clause. Subordinating clause uses that, which, whom, etc. This is the chalk I want. This is the chalk which I want. Which? Interjection. Interjection, as I have already told you, that sudden feeling, emotion of happiness, of sorrow, of pleasure is expressed through interjection. When we are very sorry, we use words like alas, oh, ah. When we are very happy, hurrah, hip hip hurrah. surprise, hello, bravo, when we are very happy. Usually during game or when somebody does better than he is expected. Now these were things about parts of speech. For the sake of revision, we can say parts of speech are divided into 8 parts: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. All these 8 have been briefly explained to you. Next time we shall do some other topic which will help us in learning language. At the meantime, you are advised to revise all these things. When exercises you will be supplied, you will be able to do. Thank you.